All right, welcome to using apps and analytics to support data-driven literacy interventions. My name is Nevin Katz, and I'm a web and app developer at Education Development Center. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction to Let's Read Zambia, a 5-year USAID-funded project that we started back in 2019. After this intro, I'll focus on our custom-built Android app as well as a performance tracking dashboard that our app uploads data to for analysis. So a little bit about me. I've been working at EDC since 2008 in both our US and international divisions. My current work mainly involves web and app development as well as advising project teams on technology solutions. One of my primary projects is Let's Read, based in Zambia, where my focus is on developing our custom mobile app. So first, let me give you a brief overview of the project itself. Our overall objective is to support Zambia's primary literacy program, or PLP. While the program has a strong foundation, it has not yet been implemented consistently. Improvement in early grades literacy has been quite gradual, and reading levels remain low. For instance, more than 64% of second graders are still unable to read. Additionally, there are gender-limiting expectations and disabilities that can further exclude many learners. The goal of Let's Read Zambia is to support the PLP in improving literacy for 1.4 million children attending public and community schools from pre-primary through grade 3. We aim to support the PLP in achieving better outcomes through several measures: providing pupils and teachers with relevant curriculum materials in the 7 local languages, training teachers to teach and assess reading acquisition, and equipping the education system with the tools needed for testing and performance analysis. In endeavoring to do this, though, there are several challenges we face. For instance, the required changes in instruction, teacher support, assessment, and community action are very challenging to the system. There are also high demands on teachers and in-service support personnel, and there are significant differences in school contexts by region, language, and type of school. So in light of all these challenges, change alone is hard, but it can be even harder to develop a system where you can effect change based on meaningful data on a large scale. So as part of this project, we're trying to establish an effective data analysis feedback loop using a custom mobile app in tandem with a cloud-based dashboard, which displays performance data that the app uploads. So before the Android tablets we procure are sent to schools, they are set up with this custom app called Let's Read, as well as other apps and digital content for use in the classroom. If you open the Let's Read app, you're brought to our welcome screen. If you tap the Teacher Select button, you get brought to a list of teacher accounts. You can see that we have 3 right now, 1 for each grade, with the school name in orange at the top. If we tap on that teacher account, we can see that this teacher, Angela, has 1 class. Tapping the class button takes you to this class home screen, and here we can see that the app comprises 3 modules, each with unique functionality, and each addressing a particular strategy of the Let's Read initiative. Let's Measure addresses performance analysis by providing a means of recording, reviewing, and uploading assessment data. The Let's Practice module, designed for student use, addresses the student curriculum piece by providing videos, readings, and interactive activities in the 7 local languages. Let's Train, intended for teacher training, provides content on vocabulary, fluency, comprehension, and other aspects of instruction. Let's zero in on Let's Measure now, which is the module that's tied to the dashboard. This is one of Let's Measure's in-tablet gradebooks for a specific assessment. Each column represents a test question under a particular category, and the category is signified by a color code and an abbreviation. For instance, PA signifies phonemic awareness, PH stands for phonics, and VO means vocabulary. If we scroll to the right, you can see 20 assessment questions in total, and that the overall scores are color-coded on the right based on the proficiency level the score falls under. O stands for outstanding, D stands for desirable, M stands for minimum, and BM stands for below minimum. Once data is entered, our assessments can then be uploaded to our performance tracking system for review and analysis. This is the one time the Let's Read app needs to be online. The results from these assessments are entered and uploaded to our dashboard 9 times during the school year with this Let's Measure app module. Now let's take a look at how the dashboard displays the data. This is a snapshot of our dashboard, and there's a lot to look at here. All of this data is uploaded from the Let's Measure app, with the exception of some data that is directly tied to school information. Let's zero in on a portion of this school-related information so I can show you what I mean. So the total schools and learners shown here are uploaded by another app we have on the tablets known as Kobo Collect. So that app takes care of these totals. The percentages are calculated based on the Kobo Collect totals as well as the numbers uploaded by the Let's Read app. Each tablet is configured to a particular school, so when its data is uploaded, our dashboard knows to tie that data to the tablet school. If we return to the dashboard and zoom in on the leftmost chart and map, we can see the number of learners reported by province. If we go back and look at the middle data, we can see scores by performance area, reported learners by language, and the learner average score by term and grade. And importantly, we can drill into data on particular assessments at particular districts. Here is a close-up of that data showing scores color-coded by proficiency level and sorted by geographic zone. Since uploaded scores to particular questions are tagged by performance area, we can also drill into performance area breakdowns for specific assessments at particular schools. This is the feedback cycle we follow using this technology. The app dashboard system is used as a feedback and support tool. By going through multiple cycles of data collection, publishing the dashboards, holding data reviews, and shaping trainings and mentoring based on data, the aim is to improve instruction in a targeted way. As data like this accumulates, the aim is for these reading results to drive instruction and planning decisions at local, regional, and national levels. That's about it for now, but there's a lot more to cover. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you at the Symposium.